Right, so this is the little barcode system that I've been trying to demonstrate but not having much luck. So I've resorted to making a video to try and show you what um, what I put together in its sort of basic form, just to introduce you to what the possibilities are really. Right, so anyway, so this device is just a little microcomputer. It's just a small computer, just so that I can demonstrate this easily. Ideally, you'd run this on a proper server and have, you know, faster equipment. But I've managed to get it all to run off this little wonderful thing. Right, it's got attached to a little screen, which in turn is attached to just a battery pack, just to fire it up. It just runs off USB, and then that in turn is connected to the barcode reader. Right, so if we just turn it on, which is just push this in. Alright, that beep means that the barcode reader is active, so I think it just shows light, yeah, so you can see it's on, and this thing will start firing up. So that little green light that's flashing, that just means it's loading. So just like a computer would load to start, this is effectively a computer, so it just takes time to start. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Let's give it a moment. Right, there you go. As it says, Wi-Fi connected. Oh, I don't know if you caught that, but it had some numbers at the bottom, and basically it says system ready, and we're connected. The system ready is actually the back end of it, the database and the Wi-Fi, so that's what it means by the system ready. And the connected means that the USB reader is connected. So if I just unplug this, that goes to disconnected. As you see, barcode reader disconnected. I'll plug it back in. It beeps again, and it says connected. Right. The system that it's talking about is actually found on the address that it gives you at the beginning. I might need to extend that delay a little bit so you can catch it a bit quicker, but again, it's not necessary. This is just for me to remember where it is. So if we go to a web page now, or a web browser, this can be on a mobile phone, a computer, can be on anything. You just need to be on the same Wi-Fi that this little thing's on. Right. So anyway, we'll put the address in as to what it said, which I think was that one. Right, and that takes you into our stock system. Right, on the top you can see that there's 4 different tabs, which is currently the 4 different functions of this thing. But it starts off with add stock. So yeah, this would be for the beginning of this system, where obviously stock needs to be entered into it. Ideally, it would be nice to have a list of some kind, an Excel list or a data dump, which I could then just copy into it, and therefore this wouldn't need to be done manually. But if it needs to be done manually, then so be it. Right, so basically, as it says, scan or manually enter a barcode. Now I need to find something that is not on the system, so I'm going to try this bottle of Dr. Pepper. Right. Now, alright, let's get the barcode. Let's get the reader. And there you can see it says unknown product and database. What that means is I've already scanned it and it's already added it, but it doesn't know what it is yet, because somebody needs to go onto here and tell it what it is. But in the case of something that it does recognize, so something that's already been updated, we can try this bottle of Coke. And I'll just scan that quickly. Oh, wrong one. And as you can see, it says Coca-Cola 2.25 litre quantity one. Now that's just how I've just set it up, just for testing. Obviously you can have any amount of information, well, any information you want, as long as it fits on that screen, which is 16 characters wide and 2 lines. But that's just the limitation of that little screen. There's other variations, it doesn't really matter. Again, it's just to demonstrate.